and hitting well, and more about him as the Gators come to bat. Right now, Bruce Thompson, a .385 average through the first 10 games. He's driven in 5 runs and has hit 1 home run. That's outside for ball 1.
He was on base all day yesterday, 4 base on balls. But Joe Arnold really felt like they handled him, and I agree. He was frustrated and did not get a good pitch to drive all day.
Just missing a bit outside. 2 balls and no strikes. Kaufman's last outing came against Stetson on February 16th, last Wednesday. Pitched 1 inning of scoreless relief in that game. And the 2-0 delivery. Swing and a miss.
See Kaufman right there on the curveball. Thompson pulling out.
2-1 delivery. A bit high.
Kaufman not an overpowering pitcher, but can get up there in the 87 range. He's throwing pretty darn hard, but not by Kenny Henderson's standards.
3 balls, 2 strikes. Bruce Thompson entered the series, a 7-game hitting streak. Full count pitch. Strike 3 is called on the outside corner. So an impressive beginning for freshman left-hander John Kaufman. The Hurricanes go quickly.